I like Sintex for today. Looks like Sintex is going up, seen a good up move, a good consolidation for over a month, and finally a breakout has come on Sintex yesterday. Looks like it's climbing towards the level of around 29 to 30. Just have a stop below 24 and trade long on Sintex. The second stock that I like to short is JSW Steel. I like to short because it looks like a more of an exhaustion pattern. It's more of a very aggressive trade. Good possibility that it can slide down to levels closer to 750 or 745. Just have a stop above 780. In case it turns, good place to short JSW Steel. So one long, one short. Buy Sintex, sell JSW Steel. So far the IT pack is looking good. Some stocks within the IT pack certainly has some sign of strength coming in. TCS is looking good. The way it's moved up around 4% yesterday, looks like a level of around 2,300 is within reach. A fresh bicycle on TCS has just got generated on Friday and it's continued yesterday as well. So I would say as long as 2,100 holds on TCS, even levels beyond 2,300 is a possibility. I also like Wipro. Wipro has seen a good consolidation and finally yesterday it has moved up after a consolidation. Looks like it should go up to levels closer to around 550. As long as 490 holds, Wipro is good. So within the IT pack, I think I would go for TCS and Wipro.
I would want to buy ACC in the cash segment at 1150 levels, holding the long position so initiated with a stop loss at 1140, expecting to book profits at 1164 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short in MTNL in the cash segment at 15 rupees. I would hold the short position so initiated with a stop loss at 15.5, expecting to book profits between 14 to 14 and a quarter or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy October futures of Hero MotoCorp at 2,100 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 2,084 and expecting to book profits at 2,124 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
If you look at the trend of Bata, then the script was consolidating for past couple of days, and yesterday we saw that the range was broken out on the upside. So the medium term trend is consolidative, but the short term trend remains positive. So we believe that the stock, upside momentum that has came in yesterday has a potential to move towards the level of 960 to 970, and I think that can be taken as a short term target for the script. A stop loss for the trade can be kept at 865, which is a very important short-term support for the script. So the recommendation on Bata would be a buy for a target of 970. Our first pick would be from the auto space. We know that the auto index has been making higher highs, and recently we saw that the index has reported an all-time high. So I believe that the sector can continue to outperform, and that is the reason we are choosing M&M, which is broken out from a continuation pattern. We believe that the stock has potential to move towards the level of 950 over coming 2-3 weeks, and the stop loss for the trade can be kept at 830. The second recommendation would be a buy on Dr. Reddy. Again, the pharma index has been outperforming the Nifty, and we believe that pharma can continue to do well. Dr. Reddy has broken out from a consolidation, and we believe that the stock should be moving towards the level of 2650, and a stop loss for the trade can be kept at 2350.
I have a buy in a Karur Vysya Bank, stop loss of 342, target of 366. I have a sell in a Colgate Palmolive. Even in this kind of a scenario where we are looking at a bullish view, this is given a very clear sell, so I would use any rise to sell this stock. Stop loss of 1248, target of 1180. And for FNO traders, I would have a buy in Bata India October futures, stop loss of 898, target of 930.